Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.
It's not even the job.
Hi guys.
Yes, it is. Let me take that back. Yes, it is.
What do we got over here today?
The way she talking,
It's some apple.
like they working at some upscale spot.
Yeah, buddy, is this some apple? Is that thing delicious or what? Yeah, I think that's absolutely delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummies for your tummies, huh? Yeah, Buddy J. Yeah, Buddy J. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That apple is absolutely delicious, isn't it, Buddy J? Isn't it, Buddy J? Absolutely delicious. Yummy, yummies for your tummies. Yeah, buddy. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it, Mr. J? Yeah, buddy. Woohoo!
And honestly, when I see a lot of dudes talk about how they want to young women, it's just because they want to have power.
Delicious.
The king, the greatest thing, because they've never had a dime in their pocket. These ladies have nothing about life, right? So a lot of these dudes go for these dynamics for that reason. Now, are those dynamics inherently bad? I don't think so, but they can be a situation where they're right for bad behavior. Me personally, if I see a 40-year-old,
What are we gonna do about it? Yeah. Can we get some videos of birdies flying?
I mean,
Yeah, you get some videos of birdies flying.
like that, like we the same age, but we not the same age. Okay, people can always be doing with the rest of their life. In that instance, I could see it, and I wouldn't try my sister like, yeah, that would be the one that you would do with the next man. Like, to be honest, I'd be like, yeah, nah, but you would be cool doing everything with that man. But you oftentimes want the partner of your sister to take this to somewhere. You're supposed to be a team to go somewhere in their life, not college with that person. Y'all say this sometimes like, well, he's not violent, he's not he's tough, yes, but he's not taking her nowhere. And I'm not saying that he has to. They cannot go nowhere together. Meaning that guy is the equivalent of a flat tire.
but why can't we go anywhere?